welcome back to my channel. I am sorry for the lighting in here. I literally just got home from work a little while ago, scarfed some food down. I'm drinking my Truly. I don't know how you guys feel about these. I was told that they are better than White Claw. I think they're about the same. Trash. Let me know down below. But I don't believe in wasting food, so if I can stomach it, I try to get through it. Unfortunately, we bought a whole case of the mixed, I guess, tropical flavors, so I am on this watermelon and kiwi, and I'm just gonna do what I gotta do, you know. Anyway, so I'm not gonna do a lot of chit-chatting because I want to get this done, and I'm gonna jump into it in a second here. I'll try to list this stuff down below. As you can tell from the title of my video, I'm going to be doing my own lash extensions here at home. Ordered my stuff on Amazon a couple days ago after pondering which products I wanted to try out. And here they are. So here we are, and we're about to go. So I got this lash glue. It's by Existing Beauty Lashes. Extra strength. It is a professional semi-permanent glue for lash extensions. It comes in a little bottle like this. Oops. And it also comes with a little, it's already got the tip punctured, but I did see it came with like a little pin where I can, I guess, widen that if need be. I don't know. We're about to find out how this all works. But it came with this little cap inside of the bag so I can puncture the nozzle if I need to, I guess. So the color is black, and it's supposed to have a dry time of 1 to 2 seconds. It says the fumes are high. I don't smell anything yet. And you're supposed to shake it before each use. I also got these lashes from Ardell. They are the flares. I didn't get the individual strips. I thought this would be a little bit quicker, and they had some pretty good reviews. The lashes were under $8, and that glue was just under $10. So I thought that was a good deal, and we're gonna see. These come with 112 flares. So that's what we're going to roll with. I've got my little spoolie. I have cleaned off my actual eye area because I had some mascara on. Washed my hands, cleaned my eyes, and we're going to start with clean hands and surface to work on. I tore off a little piece of wax paper so I can pour my glue out on there and just dip and apply. I'm not really going to have any kind of method to the madness. We're just gonna go with it here, and you guys are just gonna kind of chit chat with me and watch me do this thing. And I'll do an update at some point to say how well these lashes worked for me, how long everything lasted, and what I think and all that good stuff. I don't think I like this lighting, and it looks like I have a black spot right here in my face, but I really don't. It's weird. All right, so you guys won't really be able to see what I'm doing down here, but I'm literally just pouring out a little glue on my paper. I did not have to open the lid. I'm going to close it back up. I've got some tweezers here, and I'm just going to start pulling off these little flares. And let me tell you, we're just going to dip and apply where I think they need to go. Like I said, I don't have a real method to this. I'm just going to do what I feel is right and what I think looks good. So anyways, let me tell you about my experience with lash extensions, if I may. So I don't know, maybe in this is kind of hard, April of 2019, I want to say it had to be April of 2019 because it was for my birthday. That year I decided, wow, really? That year I decided I was going to try lash extensions for the first time. Oh my God, this stuff does burn your eye, and I didn't even touch my eyeball. Lord have mercy. Woo! So the fumes are strong. My eye is watering already. Let's go a little bit higher. I was going to try to go like a little under the lash line, but that's not going to work. Hold on. Oh my God, you guys. It did come with a warning. I will say that. All right, so let me move you guys here for a second and see what happens. So, maybe I can try to talk right here. So, yeah, that year I decided, oh my God, the fumes are killing my eye. It's really strong, you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I thought I would try lash extensions because one of the pages I follow on IG, it was a girl locally here who had her own lash shop. She was trying to get her feet off the ground, you know, and running, and was advertising what I thought was a little special, but in reality it was pretty steep. I mean, I feel like looking back it was really overpriced considering other people that have opened their own businesses doing the same exact thing and are charging far less. She charged $140 for a new set, and that was just for like a regular set. It wasn't even like a glam set or anything. I want to say the glam set was starting at $170, and that's like the real fancy schmancy, yes I'm fake looking lashes. That's what I'm saying by the glam set. So like the baby doll lashes, the ones that are just kind of like short, normal looking, I don't want to say normal, but like literally look like the lashes that you find on those baby dolls that eyes blink. They were like the cheapest, and they were like 120, 130, something like that. And they only lasted like maybe every 2 weeks you'd have to come in for a fill-in. Okay, you guys, I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, and my eyes are freaking burning like Hades. So like the lash glue she was using, it didn't last long, and I'd have to get a fill-in every 2 weeks. So I want to say that I got a fill-in a couple of times, and the fill-ins were $80. And I was just like, this is ridiculous. Imagine every 2 weeks, $80 because your lashes have fallen out. And my camera is dying, so I'll probably have to like get a few on here and come back and check in with you guys. But yeah, $80 every 2 weeks for a fill-in was redonk. So I thought I would save some time and money and try them myself. And it's been that long since I've had extensions. But let me charge up a minute and I'll check back in. Alright, you guys, I'm back for the time being. This eye is super irritated. I don't know if it's the fumes when it gets like close enough, because you don't smell anything, but I guess the actual fume, the resin in it is irritable to your eye. So like when you put the lash close, it really starts to burn. So I'm almost leaning towards telling you guys, don't try this stuff unless you got some experience. Here's Chloe. Yeah.
I don't want my lollipop.
Okay, go put it in the trash.
Do you open?
Okay, give me a second, okay?
Because I bite it.
So, okay.
Hi guys.
So, yeah, it really starts to burn. I'm almost willing to say, like, don't try this unless you've got some experience doing this stuff on your own. Start off with like a duo lash or something like that that's not so permanent and that's not as strong, because that stuff alone can burn if it gets in your eye. Just imagine this. I had to go put some like medicated eye drops in my eye because it was burning so bad. And what I'm doing right now, I think I've kind of found a way to make it not so bad, is when I'm applying it, before I actually apply the lash, even though the dry time is 1 to 2 seconds, I let it dry a little bit longer than that, and I literally just dip the end of the lash. I've got a lash that fell out. Like, I do the quickest, oh, my breath just blew it, like into the glue and out. Like, I don't know if you guys could see that. I didn't want to tilt it too much because the glue was running, but I literally just dabbing in there really quick. And my plan is, because I've got plenty of lashes, I really didn't know how many I would need, was I'm just kind of going across the eye to see what kind of shape I want first, and then I'll go back in and fill in the spaces. So I don't want to go too far in this inner corner so they look extremely draggish, but I'm going to stop in a second. Probably I'm going to do one kind of overlapping this last one here, and that's it, because my actual natural lash, you can't really see past that point anyway. And then I'll go back in and fill in the rest. So I got medium length. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. I didn't want to get short. I wanted something that looked a little bit more glam. So I got medium length. I didn't go with super long because I didn't want anything too out there. And I didn't want to be here all night, so that's why I didn't get the individual strips. Also, another fun fact about me and why I am doing this on my own is I am very claustrophobic. And you may ask, what does that have to do with anything? Well, let me tell you. Oh, I didn't even get that lash on my face, girl. So when you actually, because the fumes and everything of this salon grade stuff does burn, when you actually go to these salons and get extensions, for those of you that don't know, you have to sit there for sometimes 3 hours with your eyes closed. I can't just be sitting there forcefully with my eyes closed with a bright ring light in my face. So like having my eyes taped down and with my eyes closed, like I even tried to like talk to the tech, and I should have maybe brought some music to plug in. They had music playing. It just wasn't working for me. Like I was freaking out. Like I remember the very first time I went, I had to tell her, like, I just can't do this. Can you untape my eyes? Like I have to see. I hate being like constrained, confined, constricted, where I can't see, feel like I can't move. I just felt like I was trapped inside of myself, and Chloe is back again. Yes. But as I was saying, that is another reason why I just didn't want to go back. Like after you get your fill-ins, like it doesn't take as long, maybe an hour, but heaven forbid you go too long without getting a fill-in and have to start all over again. Chloe, 1 second. Not only do you have to pay that steep price, you've got to sit there with your eyes closed for 3 hours. So I just had cut the camera, but if you can see, that's where my last lash stops. So I kind of overlapped it with that.
Yeah, eyes are green.
My eyes are green. They look green right now.
Yeah.
So I'm just letting it kind of dry a little bit longer, and I'm going to go back in.
Why you chose my hair? It's supposed to be right here.
I think I might stop. I don't know. I might put one extra on the end, and that's it for this eye. So I almost used an entire, I can use like literally an entire row on one eye, which is great. So when I actually do need to do a fill-in, I have plenty of lashes left. And that's another nice reason to get the flares, because you have a little bit more to work with, and it really saves you some time. So since she's here doing all of that, sorry, my face looks so dry. I've been like blowing my nose and wiping my face because my eye was so runny. I'm going to cut the camera. Oh my god, my skin is peeling. I'm going to cut the camera. Let me put this last one on so you guys can see. Perfect. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. That last one there. I'm just going to fill in some of the spots, and I'll come back when I do my other lash. My other eye. Not my other lash, my other eye. Did I mention it's waterproof, the glue? Because, like I said, when my eyes were watering, I have been crying. Like, my right eye still feels like there's something in it. Lord knows what I've done to myself, but I'm having a hard time doing my left eye. So I'm trying to use my other hand once I dip it in there. I mean, it's coming along, but I think I'm pretty finished with the right. Let's see if you guys can. I mean, it doesn't look horrible, right? Ignore my peeling skin. Did I touch it? Why am I having such issues with my other hand? Look at this crap. The things we do to look like something, no? Hopefully it looks pretty decent. You guys let me know what you think, or if you do your own lashes, like what tips or tricks you have or what products you go by. I just thought it would be fun to share my first DIY lash extension sesh with you guys and let you see how it actually worked for me. Let's try to get some amount here going. It's funny, like you're barely using any glue, but the stuff is so strong it freaking burns. I really do like how these lashes look though, you guys. Not gonna lie, even though I know I'm probably not doing these the best that they could be done, I like how they look. And for the price, I think they look, honestly, this is more of the look I was going for than the extensions I had. I'm definitely gonna find the picture of when I got my lashes done, and you guys let me know if it looks like I should have paid $140. I've got that picture on my IG because, like I said, I had them done for my birthday weekend, and I'm gonna post that or put that picture in this video, and you guys tell me, like, they didn't look bad, but they didn't look like they should have cost $140 either. So hopefully while I've been doing this, you guys haven't been able to hear my mom and her friend's conversation in the background. If you did, I'm sorry. But it's neither here nor there. I'm almost done with these lashes, and that is here and there. And you guys, I mean, it's taken me a little while. I want to say I've been here really maybe about, oh, I'm not going to use that one. Maybe going on 50 minutes at least, I want to say. At least. And even with my eyes watering, I haven't really had any fallout. Just a piece here and there, and it's really because of the placement. And not even because of my eyes being wet, but like I used the spoolie to go back over a few pieces that kind of look all janky on this side because I can't use my right hand apparently to do my left eye, and I can't use my left hand to do my left eye. But yeah, I've only had a minimal fallout. My camera is dying again. I'm almost done. I'm going to fill in a few spaces and come back to show you guys the final look. But I'm liking it, you guys. I am liking the look. It is giving my eyes. I just feel like lashes make such a difference. Like I don't have to do, that's one less step I have to do in the morning. I can wake up, do my brows a little bit, put a little bit of color on my face, my lips, and I'm done. I don't need mascara or anything. I love it. All right, you guys, I think I am officially done. So just to confirm, I used 3 rows in total. The first 2, some of them I did mess up, like I ripped them pulling them off. Or had other whoopsies with them in the glue, but I used 1 row per eye, and then the 3rd row I used to like fill in some other pieces. So overall, I think they look fine. I hope I didn't overdo it. I don't really know. I think I like my one eye better than the other, but I think it'll be fine. I do have a little spoolie here that I've had for a while, and I've been trying to just gently go back over them and brush through them. I mean, they don't have any knots in them or anything, but it's more so just the way I've kind of placed them. I'm trying to just brush through them to give them a more even, natural look. Hopefully that's what I'm doing. Overall, the method was pretty easy. It was just the type of glue I used, which was intense. So if you're not looking for something as permanent, definitely go for like your normal lash glue. That's really all I can say. Use at your own discretion, because that glue is something serious. Don't need a lot at all, and it's really runny. It did not dry out during that whole time I was applying the individual flares. So that's really it. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you try any of the products mentioned in the video. Again, here's the glue, here are the lashes. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.